A software interrupt instructions, that means the SWI instruction. A software interrupt instruction causes a software interrupt acceptations, which provides a mechanism for the application to call the operating system routines. That means the software interrupt instruction is the software interrupt acceptation, which provides the mechanism application. In that, the figure shows the syntax SWI count SWI number, which is the software interrupt, where LRAVC address instruction following the swap instructions. That means the CPSR, that the make a IRQ interrupts. When processor executes and the SWI instruction, it set the program counter PC to the offset 0 into 8 the vector table. The instruction also forces the processor mode SVC, which allows the operating system routine to be the called privileged mode. Each SWI instructions has an associated SWI number, which is used to the represent a particular function call or the feature. That means the example for the SWI instruction there is show here. We have a simple example of an SWI call with SWI number that is 0 into 1 2 3 4 5 6, used by the ARM toolkits as a debugging SWI. Typically, the SWI instruction is executed in user mode. That means तुम्हाला CPSR is equal to NZC VQIFT user. That means the PC is equal to 0 into 0 0 0 0 8 000, and that LR is equal to 0 into 003 FFFFF. That means LR is equal to R14, and that is the R0 is equal to 0 into 12, where 0 into 000 8000 SWI, that means the 0 into 1 2 3 4 5 6. Therefore the post is shows the result. That means R0 is equal to 0 into 12. Since the SWI instruction are used to call operating subroutine, you need some from the parameter passing. This is achieved using the register. In this example, register R0 is used to the pass the parameter 0 into 12. The return value are also passed back in registers. That means the code is called the SWI handler is required to the process the SWI call. The handler obtained the SWI number using the address of the executed instructions, which is calculated from the link register LR. That means the SWI number is determined by the SWI number is equal to in bracket SWI instruction and not in bracket 0 into FF000000. That means hence here the SWI instruction is actual 32-bit SWI instruction executed by the processor. And that this example shows the start of the swap handler implementation. The code fragment determines the what SWI number is being called and the places that number into the register R0. You can see from this example that code load instruction first copies the complete the SWI instructions into the register R10. The BIC instruction makes of the top bits of the instruction, leaving the SWI number. We assume the SWI has been the called ARM state. That means the number of the register R10 The number of the register R10 is used by the SWI handler to call the appropriate SWI service routine. Overall the SWI instructions.